A crazy busy day. Learn English with real-life vocabulary. Welcome to English Podcast for You. I'm Maria, and I'm so excited to have you here. Whether you're just starting to learn English or you're looking to improve your skills, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's learn together and make English fun and easy. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to English Podcast for You. It's me, Charlotte, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. First of all, a huge thank you to all of you, my lovely listeners, my little podcast family, for always supporting me, sending sweet messages, and learning with me every single week. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you found this podcast. Grab your coffee, relax, and let's enjoy some English together. In today's episode, you're not just going to hear about my super busy day. You're also going to learn some real-life vocabulary and natural expressions that English speakers actually use every day, so listen carefully. Repeat after me if you like, and write down any new words you learn. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, let me be honest with you. Today was wild. Like, super busy, super crazy, and super exhausting. Honestly, I feel like I lived 3 days in just one. Can you relate? You know that feeling when you're like, wait, is it still the same day? So my alarm went off at exactly 6:30 a.m. Alarm went off means the alarm started ringing. But trust me, I didn't wake up like those people in the movies, all happy and stretching. Nope. I woke up like a zombie, just staring at the ceiling thinking, do I really have to be an adult today? But life doesn't wait, so I dragged myself out of bed. Dragged means I moved very slowly because I was tired. Bathroom routine, brush teeth, wash face, and of course, straight to the kitchen for coffee. Straight to means immediately or directly. And while the coffee was brewing, I scrolled on my phone, messages, emails, Instagram, basically wasting time. After coffee, I sat at my desk, opened my notebook, and looked at my to-do list. To-do list means a list of tasks or things you need to do. And oh boy, the list was huge. Here's what I had to do. Reply to emails, edit a YouTube video, record podcast ideas, pay bills online, grocery shopping, clean the house, and maybe survive. Just looking at that list made me tired. At 8 a.m., I started editing the YouTube video. I was in work mode. Work mode means you're fully focused on working. But of course, my laptop decided to freeze like 3 times. So slow, I was like, please, laptop, don't die on me now. Then I worked on podcast ideas. I love this part, getting creative, thinking of fun topics, and imagining I'm talking to you. At one point, I was multitasking like crazy, replying to emails with one hand and writing ideas with the other. Multitasking means doing many things at once. By 12:30 p.m., I was starving. Starving means very, very hungry. But no time to cook anything fancy, so I made a quick sandwich, bread, cheese, turkey, and some chips on the side. Then it was time to run errands. Run errands means doing small outside tasks like shopping or going to the bank. I went to the supermarket and guess what? I forgot my shopping list at home. So there I was, walking around the store like, what do I need? Bread, milk, chocolate, definitely chocolate. And the line at the cashier, oh my gosh, so long. I waited like 20 minutes just scrolling TikTok and questioning my life choices. When I got home, I unpacked the groceries, had a little snack, yes, chocolate again, and jumped back into work, but I was exhausted. Exhausted means extremely tired. So yeah, more coffee. Around 6 p.m., I started cleaning the kitchen, doing laundry, folding clothes. Ugh, I hate that part. Laundry means washing and drying clothes. But I played music, English songs, and it made cleaning feel a little easier. Dinner, pasta, quick and simple, and while eating I watched my favourite Netflix show, best part of the day. After dinner, a hot shower. Pure magic after a crazy day. Then cozy pajamas, a cup of tea, and here I am, talking to you. Because honestly, even after a long day, talking to you feels like talking to a friend. So yeah, beautiful people, that was my crazy busy day. But you know what? Even when life feels hard or messy, every little thing we do helps us grow. Even the bad days teach us something. Now, it's homework time. I know, nobody loves homework, but trust me, this will help you so much. Here's what I want you to do. 1. Listen to this episode again, but this time pay close attention to the vocabulary. 2. Write down the new words or expressions you heard, like starving, multitasking, to-do list, and exhausted. 3. Create your own sentences using at least 5 of these words. 4. Say them out loud. Record yourself if you can. You'll be surprised how much you improve when you listen to yourself speak. And now it's your turn. What does your busy day look like? Are you more productive in the morning or at night? And be honest. Do you also forget your shopping list like me? Send me a message, leave a comment, or share this episode with a friend who's always busy, just like us. Thank you so much for listening. Take care, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.